This is Holy Joe Rock and Roll reporting on a truly horrific mistrial of justice. And I'm referring to the Kate Steinle murder. For those of you who aren't familiar, Kate Steinle was a 32-year-old woman walking on the San Francisco pier with her father and a friend, and she was shot in the back by an illegal immigrant, an illegal alien who had been deported from the country 5 times. I got a few articles here from before the trial or about the trial. This guy, the murderer, changed his name during the trial or before the trial. They convicted this Mexican citizen of being a felon in possession of a firearm, which could bring a 3-year sentence, but he was found not guilty of murder or homicide. President Donald J. Trump tweeted out a disgraceful verdict in the Kate Steinle case. No wonder the people of our country are so angry with illegal immigration. This illegal alien should not have been in the country. If he would have been handed over by San Francisco prison system after his last incarceration, which was just days before he killed Kate Steinle, this wouldn't have happened. But notice that this is, what is this from? San Francisco CBS. Nobody refers to him as an illegal alien. They're referring to him as an undocumented immigrant. He's not an immigrant. He's an illegal alien. This PC bullshit has got to stop. Here we have San Francisco Chronicle. Dude was deported 5 times. The guy he had a long history of crimes. No family, no friends, no former employers have come forward since the event. What he was doing between the time he walked out of the city lockup on 7th and Bryant Street on April 17th and July 1st, the evening Steinle was killed on Pier 14, has always been a mystery. What was this guy doing in the country with no visible means of support, constantly in and out of jail, and been deported 5 times? This is another reason why so-called sanctuary city police policies have got to be reversed. Now, during the trial, the defense claimed that it was a freakish ricochet after the gun went off accidentally. But the murderer told police that he was shooting seals off the pier when he accidentally shot Kate Steinle. So why would you believe there was a freakish ricochet? That makes absolutely no sense. Makes absolutely no sense. Furthermore, after he shot Kate Steinle, if it was an accident, he threw the gun into the harbor. So why would you throw the gun into the harbor if it was an accident? Everybody knows if it was an accident, you'd be saying, "Oh my God, I'm so sorry, it was an accident," right? That's what you would do. That would be your natural reaction, not, "Oh God, I killed somebody." Throw the gun into the harbor. Total miscarriage of justice. That's what I was looking for. A total miscarriage of justice. Undocumented immigrant, he's acquitted. Now, what was it? CNN? Is it CNN? This is the Washington Post trying to claim that this incident was used to justify Trump's wall. No, it's not. It was one of many angel moms, angel dads, parents of children who had been killed by illegal immigrants. This is just one of the stories that Trump used, that Donald Trump referenced during the campaign as to why we need to build the wall. Such freaking nonsense, man. Such freaking nonsense. This is a reason why we need to have Kate's Law. Supposedly already on the books is a law that says if you come to the United States after being deported for being here illegally, there already is jail time already on the books. We need to enforce the laws that already exist. I don't know that we need any more new laws. Even Kate's law doesn't even need to be, because there already are laws on the books that say if you've been deported and you return to the country, you are put in jail. It's already on the books. We need to enforce the laws that we already have. We need to build that wall, and we need to support Donald J. Trump, President of the United States, to make that happen. I'm Holy Joe Rock and Roll. This has been In the News on Miscarriage of Justice. This murderer is now going to be deported rather than punished for his crime, his heinous crime of killing an innocent person in the United States when he should never have even been here in the first place. Thought, so much for white privilege. If there was such thing as white privilege, then 100% sure this murderer would have been convicted and sentenced to death because of white privilege. Where's the white privilege in this? Do you see the hypocrisy and the idiocracy of even the concept of white privilege when our legal system is so corrupt that a murderer who admits to killing somebody can actually get away with murder? And I'm not even talking about OJ. I'm talking about this low-life, illegal alien gets away with murder. And also the other question is, who the hell was on the jury? Who picked this jury that they could be so stupid to not see a murder when they see one? So much for white privilege. Let's put an end to that. Oh, hashtag it's okay to be white. Check out my theme song, the definitive theme song. Hashtag it's okay to be white. Put a link to it right there. I'm Holy Joe Rock and Roll. Thank you for watching, and remember to always make it happen for the captain, because you're the captain.